everyone. This is Tony, and I'm just going to do a quick video of my past weekend. So here we are at TJ Maxx, and they already have their Christmas things out, and I thought this wreath was so adorable. Here, this is a weird lantern type thing. Neat. The candle holder. That's my daughter showing off her nails. But I absolutely love that lantern. I want to go back and get it. And the bubble wrap was a candle holder. And I love these bowls, but I recently switched to all white. I need to get a butter dish. This is so cute. I want to get it all. So that's Samantha and I. Now we are headed to, Pier 1 Imports. Let's see what's inside. Sam's just eager to get on video. So now I'm in the market for an 8x10 area rug. I don't know if I need 8x10 or 5x7. That chair is cute, by the way. I had to stop because the sales lady kept trying to pressure me to get a credit card. I'm like, I have to pay off a lot of other credit cards. Right here, I'm watching, I forget what channel I was watching, but I will update you all when I do another video. And I just got my hair retightened, by the way. But here I'm just wiping off all the dust on my coffee table that I'm building. So what I have is that antique wax that I want to use. And you see the brown stains, if you will. It looks like old wood, like, hey, you missed a spot with the paint. Well, that's actually that wax that I had started a few days prior to recording. So last Saturday, I had a moment to catch up. So let's see. With this, it's trial and error. It's my first time, and I'm going to keep the table. But a dab will do you, as they say. And I just gently stroke, as you see here, the wax on the table. I already painted it like a lamb white from Folk Art Paint. So now I'm just brushing the antique wax, if you will, over my table here. And then next I'm looking for a t-shirt. My sons, they grow fast, so I'm like, well, may as well use this t-shirt to go ahead and smear the wax, if you will, to give it an old rustic look. This is my first time doing something like this, so I was kind of excited, a little anxious about it. Like, I hope I don't mess up because I want to show you all. And that's a stencil I'm going to put in the middle, so I'm making sure I don't have too much brown to go over or under the stencil where it'll ruin the color of the stencil that I'm doing. The stencil will be painted in like a metallic gold color, which I'll show you all later. So now we're painting and we're painting and we're painting. It's the brush I used, it was very dry, and that's perfect for that. I don't want it too wet, and I kind of just want to I guess it sounds like I'm rubbing sandpaper, if you will, on my table. And I just keep scrubbing and scrubbing, painting and painting, scrubbing and scrubbing again with the dry brush and then with a t-shirt. And now we're going through the table, so on and so forth. It was very fun for me to do, and I enjoyed it. This is something I will do again. I have a few more projects that I may want to catch up on or start after this, I should say. Now, I will say the legs for the table, I want the table to sit a bit higher. So I have blocks actually underneath the table to hold it up to see like what height I want it at. And I don't know if I should do like a traditional height, a leg in each corner, or I'm kind of thinking about just leaving it in the middle, like some abstract work of art, if you will. I asked my husband about it, and I don't know. He says, oh, I trust your eye. I'm not an interior designer by no means, nor am I an architect, nor am I a furniture builder. However, going back years ago, I had an opportunity to play basketball at a school in Savannah, which was for art design. And I'm looking through their brochure and I'm like, oh, furniture building? It was something of the sort. I'm like, this should be interesting. I would love to do that. But I didn't go to school in Savannah. I stayed in New York. However, I may want to go back, or not even go back, just go to a local community college and take classes. I'm trying to take classes to finish my degree, at least in early childhood education. My job that I have now is nothing but childhood education. However, I actually find myself working in the schools now. But so now I'm just fast forwarding this because I'm just trying to stay in the gray area of it's a 2-layered table. So I painted the other part of the legs like a chalk gray. That can I got for $10 at Walmart, and it lasts a good while. I did my half bath cabinets. I did my husband's coffee bar that was made. I used old furniture that I had from my first apartment in New York, and it's been with me from 2005 in New York all the way up to 2018 now in North Carolina. Okay, so right here I am using a gold metallic paint, and I'm filling in the stencil, hoping everything is straight. Sometimes I feel like I get a little cross-eyed looking at the wrong things, and I was fearful of this not being 100% centered. So paint. I'm taking my time. I don't want it to bleed through the stencil. I got that stencil from Michael's, maybe $7 to $10, I think. Then of course Michael's always gives you some coupons. And my cameraman or camera woman is actually my 11-year-old. And my husband and the boys, my younger sons, were on the couch watching a movie, and Jade was very interested in what was going on the television behind her, as opposed to what mommy is doing. But it's fine. All right, I'm keeping my fingers crossed right here because here is the big reveal. Let's move off the weights. I think I was trying to count down, but Jade, she didn't focus on me too well. Let's see. Come on, Tony. Pull the stencil up. Here we go. The big reveal. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it is straight and it didn't bleed through too bad. But that's it. Thank you.